Am I dead? Those eyes. You're an Uchiha too? Where exactly is that? Who in the world are you? Don't tell me you're actually Death himself. No! I just saw a sign. I knew it. I lived my life by the creed of helping elderly people in need. Please, not hell!
It's incredible those boulders did not crush you.
So where did you find me?
Inside of an underground passageway that I had created.
Are you saying that you saved me, Gramps?
Besides, I still intend to have you repay your debt to me.
What do you want me to do? Well, I'm sorry, but I can't stay here forever. My Sharingan is finally awakened. I can protect my comrades better now.
I am afraid with the body you have now, your life as a shinobi is over.
But I finally just got this eye. Okay, where is he?
Obito, behind you!
Hey, are you all right?
That guy, he's good. Got some of that dust in your eyes again?
I wouldn't have let it happen.
Obito, how did...
Those eyes, what are?
Green's chakra has been disturbed.
She's probably under a genjutsu.
At last I'll be a shinobi who can protect his comrades.
Wake up to reality. The longer you live, the more you will realize.
What's up with this old man?
As long as there is a concept of victors, the vanquished will also exist.
Great, he started a lecture. So, where are we now, anyway?
This is bad! Run for the exit! Obito!
I don't think I'm gonna make it. I can't even feel anything there anymore. I'm giving you my Sharingan. Whatever the village or anyone else may say, please accept this. I can't stay in here with you for too long, old man.
You may leave if you really want to. If you are even able to move, that is.
I know all geezers and grannies in the Hidden Leaf Village, and yet... So this guy currently isn't a leaf shinobi. I bet you're a rogue ninja, aren't you? Who are you?
I am Madara Uchiha.
But Madara's supposed to have died ages ago.
You're more likely to believe that I'm the Grim Reaper, is that what you're saying? For truly this reality is a hell.
I'm going home!
There are no exits from here. Move and the synthetic Hashirama tissue I took the trouble of attaching will peel off. I went to great pains to save you. I want to sever the fate of this world. A world of only love.
I just want to go back home to everyone!
In time you'll come to realize that is truth. But I shall be taking that Sharingan of yours. My original eyes are currently on loan to another person. I do not have a right eye yet.
I definitely can't stay here. I'm alive!
Well, hello. How you doing?
How long have I been stuck inside here anyway?
I mean, it's not like you need to pay rent or anything.
Just have half of that weird stuff stuck on me. I'm not made of it like you. All right, fine. Go ahead, prove that you guys are at a higher level than I am.
We're the ones in charge of watching you.
That I'm gonna make it outside. I swear I will.
Don't act tough and hide your... I'm always watching, you know.
I'll be seeing you soon. Rin.
Your friends Rin and stupid Kakashi are in trouble.
Rin and Kakashi!
Why don't you wear my body? He really is a good boy.
Guys, thank you. All right. I have to go. But I'll probably never come back here. Hey, White One! What's Rin and Kakashi's location?
Don't worry, I'll use them to guide you.
What's the status of Rin and Kakashi? What's Minato-sensei doing?
It seems that he's on some different mission.
Kakashi, you made me a promise.
Obito, it's likely going to come to battle. Your fighting ability is lower than mine.
Yeah, so what? What's your point? Remember what Madara told me? Kakashi and I will protect Rin! What's that?
That's the location.
Stop showing me these weird images!
Kakashi.
Damn it! He did it!
Who's that guy? Reinforcements?
What just happened? He dodged them.
I will not accept any of this!
Do not mock the Blood Mist Village!
Die! We need to at least retrieve the girl. This guy passes right through you!